But for paint, you can always shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your paint can. Shake your paint can. Okay, let's get started. Hi friends, welcome to my little treasure box studio. It's Valerie here. Hello. If you are here and you're here for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing before you go. And remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Now you're looking at my cutting board. Since I've put it in, I have never painted it. So I am getting ready to paint it. I wanted to take you guys here to give you a little lesson in color and light. How does color interact with light? You see, I have a pretty small space here, and as you can see, that's my ceiling. My ceiling is pretty low, so I can't afford to lose any light. Therefore, I have to be very careful what color I paint my table with. You see, I would really love to paint this table with a blue, and not a very dark blue, a pretty light blue, but still, it doesn't matter how light the color is, as long as it has pigment in there, it will definitely absorb some light. And I don't want any light absorption in here. And so what I'm getting ready to do is paint this table in white. I'm painting the table in white because the white will reflect the light. It will not absorb the light. And so when it reflects the light, it bounces the light around in the studio and it gives me more light. If you are considering painting your space and you have a pretty small space, if it is well lit, whether it's artificial light or it's natural light, no problem, right? You can go ahead and use your pigmented paint. But if it is not well lit, like mine is right here, consider using a lighter color or even a white or a cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with painting this table. And I'd really appreciate if you stick around with me, keep my company until I'm done painting so you can see the end result. I have already cleaned my surface and I have my paintbrush here, a little stirrer stick, and something to open my paint can. But before I open it, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. It's not a full can of paint because this is paint we have used before. So it's light enough for me to hold and shake like this, so I don't even think I need the stir stick. Okay, you know, when you're using stain, you should not shake the stain, you should stir. But for paint, you can always shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your paint can. Shake your paint can. Okay, let's get started. I'm wearing a glove. Oh, I should put apron on before. Let's put this in here so that you get the place all messy. Oh, I'm gonna get an apron. Let's get my apron on. Oh, let's turn it around. I'll try my darndest best to be tidy here because there is a lot around that can get painted. And all I need to paint is this table. There we go. Okay. You will see the difference when I'm done painting the table from even the natural color. Because right now the natural color is absorbing light. But my white will reflect the light. If you wanted to, when you're painting, you can wear a mask. This is a low VOC paint. Low VOC. VOC means volatile organic compound. I'm getting some hairs out of my brush. It's the first time I'm using the brush. You can already see the difference here. I'm going to bring you a little closer and let you see how much light the white is reflecting as opposed to the tan, which is a natural wood color that's actually absorbing some of the light. Okay, just check this out. You can see right here that the white is reflecting the light, while the tan is actually absorbing some of the light. So when I'm done, I will definitely have more light in the space because this big white surface is going to reflect the light. Now let's go ahead and finish up. Okay, the job is done. Let me know in the comments, guys. Do you see any difference here? Does it look to you like the light's been reflected more than when the table was tan? Go ahead and give me your opinions. Until then, I'll just have to let it dry, and drying doesn't mean curing. It's going to take about a couple of weeks for the paint to cure on this surface, and so I might not be able to use it, but that's also okay. Now I have some other color lessons and paint lessons on the channel. I will go ahead and put a couple of links in the description, and so you guys can check them out. Thank you so much for watching. If the lesson was helpful, please share it with somebody and give me those thumbs up. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, as I said at the top, go ahead and give me that subscription, and remember to hit the bell notification icon. I'll see you in the next video.